Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class already I started with the differentiation of a composite function. Today again I am continuing with few more examples depending on the differentiation of a composite functions. See here 1 upon, in the numerator we don't have a x, that's why I am writing this as a sin x plus cos x raised to minus 1. Is it following or what? Now differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx, first power, that is minus 1 sin x plus cos x raised to minus 1 n into x to the power n minus 1 into differentiation of, when you close the power, what is remaining? Sin x plus cos x. Here it is minus 1 sin x plus cos x raised to minus 2. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos is minus sin x. If you want, you can write one more step. This I am writing 1 minus 1 upon sin x plus cos x raised to 2 into cos x minus sin x. One example, similar example I explained in the one of the previous class here. If y is equal to 1 upon log x, if you remember that example, there we applied u by v, and when I am doing that example I told still we are not started the composite differentiation. So here instead of u by v you can write log x to the power raised to minus 1, correct or not? And check this answer is exactly similar to that answer. Into differentiation of log x. This we can write log x raised to 2. Minus 1 becomes 2. And differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Like that depends on the students. Moving to the next example. I am trying to explain different examples so students can prepare their competitive easily. Question number 172. Y is equal to x cube cos root x. See, this is u, this is v. Even though we are applying composite differentiation, differentiating with respect to x, first we have to apply u into v. X cube into differentiation of cos root x plus cos root x into differentiation of x cube. Here it is x cube, there is no power, so directly we have to differentiate the cos. Differentiation of cos is sin root x. After trigonometric term we have to differentiate the angle, that is root x. And cos root x as it is, differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So it is minus x cube sin root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. I am writing like this. And this is 3x square cos root x. Understood? Now question number 173. Y is equal to x square sin square 3x. So again this is u and this is v. U into v again in that chain rule. First basic thing. Dy upon dx is equal to x square into differentiation of sin square 3x plus sin square 3x into differentiation of x square. So I kept x square as it is. Here we have the power. That means first we have to differentiate that power. Sin square 3x is 2 sin 3x power. N into x to the power n minus 1. So after power, cover that power, what is remaining? Sin 3x plus this part. Sin square 3x as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Next, this I am writing 2x square sin 3x. What is the differentiation of sin 3x? Cos 3x into differentiation of 3x because the angle is other than x. Plus, and don't mix these two. This is the angle, this is independent. It is without trigonometric term. That's why I am writing this first. Now differentiation of 3x will be 3. Plus 2x into sin square 3x. You can write one more step here. 6x square sin 3x into cos 3x plus 2 sin square 3x. Or you can write 2 sin 3x into cos 3x is in the form of what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. That is nothing but sin 2 theta. You can write in that way also. It depends on the, if it is a multiple choice, it depends on that answers. Otherwise, you can write like this. Moving to the next question, question number 174. Y is equal to e raised to root x log of sin x. Yes, have you remembered? Again, this is u into v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to e raised to root x into differentiation of log sin x plus log sin x into differentiation of e raised to root x. So e raised to root x as it is, differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x into differentiation of sin, because we differentiated the log then sin x, plus log sin x as it is. Yes, tell me what is the differentiation of e raised to x? Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. This is e raised to root x into differentiation of root x. E raised to root x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x upon sin x plus log sin x e raised to root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. If you want, you can take e raised to root x common, and cos x upon sin x is what? Cot x. Plus log of sin x divided by 2 root x. See, is it simple or what? Moving to the next question, 175. Y is equal to sin raised to 4 log x to the base e. Yes, students, there is a single term. First, we have to differentiate the power. What is the power? 4. So, it is 4 sin cube log x into differentiation of, by closing the power, sin log x is remaining. So, answer is 4 sin cube log x. Differentiation of sin log x is cos log x into differentiation of log x. Is it simple or what? Yes. 4 sin cube log x cos log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. If you want, you can write whole divided by x. Moving to the next question, question number 176 here. Again, we have only one term, that is tan square. That means first we have to differentiate the power. Dy upon dx is equal to 2 tan x cube minus 5x square plus 2, because n into x to the power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's why I am not writing 1. See, after power, when you close the power, what is remaining? Tan x cube minus 5x square plus 2 is remaining. 2 tan x cube minus 5x square plus 2. Differentiation of tan is secant square x cube minus 5x square plus 2 into differentiation of the angle is what? X cube minus 5x square plus 2. So it is 2 tan x cube minus 5x square plus 2 secant square x cube minus 5x square plus 2 into differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus 5 as it is differentiation here 5x square. 5 as it is differentiation of x square is 2x. When you multiply you will get 10x. This is the final answer. No need to write once again. If you want, you multiply this 2 with this bracket. 177 y is equal to root of sine root x. See, first outside term is outside root. It is in the form of root, outside root, remember. So let us assume this is only root x, in the form of root x. dy upon dx 1 upon 2 root sine root x. That means we differentiated outside root, then sine root x. Yes, what is the differentiation of sine root x? Cos root x upon 2 root sine root x as it is, then angle, differentiation of root x. So this is cos root x upon 2 root sine root x into differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. If you want, you can write one more step. Cos root x, this and this multiply 4 root x root of sine root x. Is it simple or what? Yes, it is very simple. Moving to the next question. Question number 178. They are very simple. Y is equal to x square cos square a by x. See, this is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx x square into differentiation of cos square a by x plus cos square a by x into differentiation of x square. Keep x square as it is. What is the differentiation of cot square? S power 2 cot a by x. After power, trigonometric term, that is cot a by x plus, this is before differentiation, keep as it is, and differentiation of x square is 2x. This is 2x square cot a by x. What is the differentiation of cot? Differentiation of cot is minus, that's why I was writing minus here, minus cosecant square a by x. Then we have to differentiate the angle because other than x, and remember a by x will be written as a into 1 by x, and we are familiar with the differentiation of a 1 by x. That's why I am not taking x in the numerator, I kept as it is. And this is 2x cot square a by x. So it is minus 2x square cot a by x cosecant square a by x. As I told you, It is a into 1 by x. A as it is, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. We can write minus a by x square. Minus a by x square plus 2x into cos square a by x. When you multiply these two, because this is without trigonometric term, this is also without trigonometric term. This x square and this x square get cancels. Minus into minus becomes plus 2a. Here they are without a trigonometric term, that's why we are cancelling. Minus a by x, and this a we wrote first only, plus 2x cos square a by x. See, is it very simple or what? Yes, it is very simple. Only thing, if you know how to apply and which formula is applicable. Moving to the next question. Question number 176. Y, sorry, 179. 179. Y is equal to x into root of a square minus x square. Again u into b. dy upon dx is equal to 1. Write on one more line, that is the differentiating with respect to x. X into differentiation of root of a square minus x square plus a square minus x square into differentiation of x. Before differentiation term we kept as it is. It is in the form of root, then without root. Plus root of a square minus x square. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. No need to write that. Here differentiation of a square is 0. Differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. This 2 and this 2 get cancels. This is minus x square upon, and take the LCM and simplify if you want, otherwise keep as it is. 180 1 upon root of a square plus x square. Here if you want you can apply u by v, but in the numerator we don't have any x value, that's why I am writing like this. Root is nothing but half. When you take it in the numerator, it becomes minus half. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx. First power. Minus half minus 1. After power base. Minus 3 by 2. Differentiation of a square is 0. Differentiation of x square is 2x. And because of this negative, I am writing that in the denominator. See, like this we are solving. Moving to the next question. See, moving to the next question. Y is equal to 1 upon square root of 2x plus 3 whole cube. That is nothing but 2x plus 3. Conversion of third root in the form of indices. 3 by 2. And take it in the numerator, because in the numerator we don't have any x, so write like this. Now differentiate. First we have to differentiate the power. The power is minus 3 by 2. 2x plus 3 raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 raised to minus 5 by 2 into differentiation of 2x plus 3. This get cancels. Minus 3, and this I am writing in the denominator because of negative number. When you write it in the denominator, it become positive. Moving to the next question. 182. Y is equal to cos raised to 4 cube root of x. Angle is cube root of x. Whole power is 4. Differentiating with respect to x. First power. 4 cos cube root of x. After complete covering this power, what is remaining? Cos of cube root of x is remaining, and differentiation of cos is minus. That's why I am writing first only the minus value. Now we have to differentiate the angle. Angle is, instead of cube root of x, I am writing x to the power 1 by 3. It is minus 4 cos cube root of x sin cube root of x. It is 1 by 3. X raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. This 1 by 3 I am writing here minus 4 by 3 cos cube root of x sin cube root of x. X raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. When you take the LCM, it is minus 2 by 3. Correct or what? And because of this negative sign, it comes in the denominator. We can write like this. And there is no trigonometry term. You can write like this. So it depends on the students how they will understand, and if they are familiar how to apply the formula, then the examples are very simple. Moving to the next question. 183. Y is equal to tan square 1 plus e raised to x. First power. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is 2 tan 1 plus e raised to x into differentiation. Complete covering the power tan 1 plus e raised to x. 2 tan 1 plus e raised to x. Differentiation of tan is secant square 1 plus e raised to x into differentiation of 1 plus e raised to x. It is 2 tan 1 plus e raised to x secant square 1 plus e raised to x. Differentiation of 1 is 0, e raised to x is e raised to x. This you can write like this. Next, question number 184. Y is equal to x square log of sin x. Yes, which formula? This is u, this is v. Correct or what? So differentiating with respect to x. First we have to apply u into v, product rule. X square as it is, differentiation of log sin x. Next just interchange. Log sin x as it is, differentiation of x square. See, x square I kept as it is, differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x into differentiation of sin x plus log sin x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. x square as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x upon sin x plus log sin x into 2x. Cos by sin is cot. And our simplification, just I rearrange that. Next, question number 185. Y is equal to x cube e raised to x square. See, again this is u and this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to x cube differentiation of e raised to x square plus e raised to x square into differentiation of x cube. Correct or not? Yes, this is u into v. If you are able to identify which formula is applicable, half of the problems are solved there only. And now you are familiar with all the formulas, trigonometric formula, basic formulas. So x cube as it is. Tell me what is the differentiation of e raised to x? Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x or what? Here it is in the form of e raised to x. So this is nothing but e raised to x square into differentiation of x square because it is other than x. And differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So it is x cube e raised to x square into 2x. And I took e raised to x square common in the bracket. 2x cube and x becomes what? 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square. If you want, you can take x square is also common. Next, y is equal to e raised to sin x cos x. Again this is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx e raised to sin x, differentiation of cos x plus cos x, differentiation of e raised to sin x. See, e raised to sin x I kept as it is. What is the differentiation of cos x? Differentiation of cos is minus, that's why I wrote minus first, plus cos x as it is. What is the differentiation of e raised to sin x? It is in the form of e raised to x. That's why it is e raised to sin x into differentiation of sin x because it is other than x. Minus e raised to sin x into sin x plus cos x e raised to sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. If you want, you can take e raised to sin x common. If you took e raised to sin x common, what is remaining? Here minus sin x is remaining. And next cos x into cos x is cos square x is remaining. 187. Y is equal to sin 3x cos square x. Yes, students. Now, are you familiar with the formula? Now, can you identify which formula is applicable here? Yes. Just think and tell me. Yes. Here we can apply. So not we can. We have to apply u into v. This is u. This is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to sin 3x into differentiation of cos square x plus cos square x into differentiation of sin 3x. Here I kept sin 3x as it is. First power 2 cos x. After power base. The base is cos x plus cos square x. Yes, what is the differentiation of sin 3x? Cos 3x, because there is no power, dialectic trigonometric term, into differentiation of 3x. Next step, what is the differentiation of cos x? Differentiation of cos x is minus. That's why I am writing minus first, and these two I am writing first. Sin 3x cos x into sin x plus cos square x cos 3x into 3. And remember, we cannot multiply. I underline no these terms. We cannot multiply and we cannot write sin square. Why? Because their angle are different. So you can write minus 2 sin 3x into cos x into sin x plus 3 cos square x and into cos 3x. Again we cannot multiply. They have a different angle. 188 y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube into 1 minus x square whole square. Here also this is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is 2x plus 1 whole cube into differentiation of 1 minus x square whole square. First u into v. Plus 1 minus x square whole square into differentiation of 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube as it is. First power 2 into 1 minus x square into differentiation of 1 minus x square base plus 1 minus x square whole square as it is. First power 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into differentiation of 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 whole cube 1 minus x square in the bracket. 1 is differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x plus 3 into the term this I kept as it is. Now differentiation of 2x is 2. Here this is minus 4x and when you multiply this, next step, if you want, you can take the least terms as a common term. Least terms. Moving to the next question. Question number 189. Y is equal to cube root of 2 plus 3 log x. Yes. How you write this in the simplest form? See, is it a simplest form or what? Yes. Now differentiate. First power. Then base. Raised to minus 2 by 3. Differentiation of 2 is 0. Differentiation of 3 log x is 3 by x. This 3 and this 3 it cancels. It is 1 upon, because of this negative it comes in the denominator. Now understood. Next one is 190. Y is equal to square tan x square. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. First we have to apply u into v. Before differentiation, keep as this. There is no power. Power is for angle, remember. Directly trigonometric term. Differentiation of tan is secant square into differentiation of x square. Angle is other than x. Plus tan x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Here differentiation of x square is 2x, and always students have a confusion, they will mix this. Don't mix that. And now you can multiply this, because here this is without trigonometric term, this is also without trigonometric term. This is the answer. Clear or what? Moving to the next question. Question number 191. Y is equal to e raised to ax sin bx. The students tell me here which formula you are applying. Again here also we are applying u into v. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. E raised to ax. Differentiation of sin bx. I kept e raised to ax as it is. What is differentiation of sin bx? Cos bx into differentiation of dx. Plus sin bx as it is. Differentiation of e raised to ax is in the form of e raised to x. Into differentiation of ax. Here what is the differentiation of bx? Is it b or what? So write it first. And differentiation of ax is a. That also I wrote first. If you want, you can take e raised to ax common. B cos bx, a sin bx. Question number 192. Y is equal to. Yes. Can you try this, student? Yes. Try this sum. Again this is u into v, exactly similar to the previous. 193. Y is equal to sin cube x cos of log x. See, the sum is interesting. So first, basically which formula? Basically this is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to sin cube x into differentiation of cos log x plus cos log x as it is. Differentiation of sin cube x. See, sin cube x as it is. What is the differentiation of cos? Leave that angle. Just tell me what is the differentiation of cos. Is it minus or what? Yes, minus sin log x. into differentiation of log x, correct? Plus cos log x as it is. First what we have to differentiate? Here we have to differentiate power 3 sin square x into differentiation of sin x after power base. So it is minus sin cube x sin of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So directly I am writing like this. Plus cos log x 3 sin square x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is the answer. 194. Y is equal to sin x degree. Remember, this is important, especially for competitive. We cannot differentiate if it is a degree because we have to convert. You are already familiar. We have to convert this in the form of radian. So x degree is nothing but pi x upon 180 radian. Already we are familiar with this conversion. Convert that it is not x to the power 0 because it is with trigonometric term. If it is without trigonometric term, you can consider as a x to the power 0. With trigonometric term, it is x degree. X degree is pi x upon 180 radian. Now differentiate this with respect to x. dy upon dx. Remember, especially for competitive, differentiation of sin is cos pi x upon 180 and angle is other than x. So we have to differentiate the angle. There is no power, directly we differentiated the trigonometric term. Next, cos pi x upon 180. Here pi is constant, 180 is constant. Write first. And what is remaining? X is remaining. What is the differentiation of x with respect to x? 1. So it is pi upon 180. Don't mix this. This you can write cos x degree, correct or what? So it is nothing but pi 180 cos x degree. Question number 195. If y is equal to root of x log x to the base e, find dy upon dx at x is equal to e. That means after differentiation, wherever x is there, we have to write e. What is given? Y is equal to root of x log x. First we have to differentiate the root. After root, we have to differentiate the terms without root. That is u into v. In the bracket, x into differentiation of log x plus log x into differentiation of x. In the bracket, x I kept as it is. Differentiation of log x to the base e is 1 by x plus log x I kept as it is. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Here this x and x get cancels. First write down the remaining terms. Dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x log x to the base e, in the bracket 1 plus log x to the base e, correct or what? At x is equal to e, dy upon dx is 1 upon 2 into root of e log e to the base e, in the bracket 1 plus log e to the base e. Is 1 upon 2 root. What is log e to the base e? Log of any number with the same base is always 1. This is e because e into 1. and this is 1 plus, this already was familiar, this is 1. So finally we got 1 upon root t. See, is the sum is simple or what? Some basic things you don't know. That's why observe the problem carefully.